welcome to Montessori Minute. Today we're going to be talking about a very Montessori-like idea, the concept of taking care of your environment. Children love, particularly young children, 2, 3, 4, and 5, love to feel like they're being useful. You'll probably have seen that everything you want to do or everything you are doing, they want to do. If you're unloading the dryer, they want to unload the dryer. If you're washing dishes, they want to wash the dishes. If you're cleaning the toilet, they want to clean the toilet. Well, I'm here to tell you there's no reason that they can't do that. If they're home from school, get them cleaning because they love it. And you don't even have to have special materials in your house to do that. So the bathroom, for example, one of the best ways to clean the bathroom is mix some vinegar and water in a spray bottle if you have it, but in a bowl if you don't. Probably 3 times water to 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar. Mix them together. Give them a cloth, one that's going to be wet and one that's going to be dry, and let them go to town. They will scrub the sink, the mirror, the toilet, the outside of the toilet seat, the bathtub, and the walls. They'll even clean the floor if you let them. And vinegar is a really good disinfectant. It helps to kill the germs. So let them go and do it. It smells good too. Now, if they're tired of cleaning the bathroom, then hey, let's head to the living room because polishing furniture is another thing they love to do. And you know, a lot of us don't take the time to do that anymore. I remember growing up, my mom seemed like she was polishing the wood furniture constantly. I don't think I know anybody that does that anymore. But you have your own built-in polishing crew, and you don't have to have furniture polish to do it. I'm going to give you some links of how to make homemade furniture polish. It's really simple: basic olive oil and water and a little bit of lemon juice. Too shabby, right? So get your furniture looking tip-top shape because you have the cleaning crew. Now, the other thing they love to do is wash dishes. So if you're not letting them wash dishes after dinner or load the dishwasher, you're missing out. Why should you do it? You're the one that's cooking. Oh, and by the way, they love to cook too. 2-year-olds can take a little tiny cutter and cut carrots. They can peel things if you show them how, and most of them have learned that in their Montessori classrooms. So get them cooking and get them cleaning. Put them up on a chair, tie them up there if you have to, if you don't have a nice stool, but let them scrub those dishes because it's something they absolutely love to do. Outdoor play equipment. Believe it or not, if you have a swing set or you have a jungle gym or you have any kind of something in the outdoor environment that they use, their bicycle even, give them a bucket of water with a little bit of soap and either a scrub brush or a sponge and let them go to town scrubbing that outdoor equipment. After the winter, after the rain, whatever it is, everything outside's pretty dirty. They'll sweep your little patios and your walkways. Put them to work. Not because you need a maid, but because it makes them feel so important to help you. They feel like they're contributing. So have fun cleaning today, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining me today.